Okay, here we go. We're on day 75. Let's look at this profile. I'm going to be solving some problems, mirroring Midnight Simon and Pat. So we're going to be mirroring, I think, on the stream, right? So first we have Pat. I think Pat's problems are a little bit easier, so I'll probably start with those. And then we'll go into check out some of the Midnight Simon problems that he solved yesterday on stream. So this is 9 hours ago. And yeah, here's our profile for today. And that's about it. I'll solve it for, I guess, an hour or two or something, see what happens. But so let's see what problems he ended up doing. Let's see. Given half the integers. Oh, it doesn't tell you the name? Sort array by parity? Okay, I don't even know if it's part 1 or part 2. Based. Does it say? Yeah, it does. It's this one. And then this one. We're going to click it. So I've already solved this and it's probably really easy, but move all integers at the beginning, followed by all the odds, right? I think you just can probably do like the 2-pointer thing where you have an even pointer, or I guess I probably would have done this like having like an even pointer. So I would just like swap them. So like here one is just gonna get swapped here. And we basically kind of like just keep moving that and swapping it. That said, if we don't care about space, then we can just do this by actually just like doing the arrays. So we have an even array and odd array, and we just splice them together. So we have like evens and then odds. And I think I honestly kind of saw this from my variable names at the start, but that's okay. But like, we just say like if, what is this, Ruby? Oh my God, I did this in Ruby. And even better. Okay, well, honestly, this is exactly what I was going to write, which is evens plus odd, but it's like directly what I was going to write for num and nums, and then check if it's mod, and then just add them. The other way though is you can swap them. So you just go through and swap, as opposed to doing that. Okay, whatever. That's okay. We'll see like what's the actual.
Overall, I'm really not trying to do anything today, but you know, might as well keep the streak going. That's less than right or something. No, that don't make sense.
Also, I don't want to get flagged. He should be able to do this one really fast though. Oh my gosh, he did this with sliding. Oh my God, no, stop. I'm trying to see it. Wait, also, I think he has his leaderboard, no? Sort array by parity 2. Okay. I saw it in the title. Half the integers are odd, other half are even. Sort the array so that whenever the number is odd, I is odd. This feels like the very similar one. So we're just creating the arrays, but we're alternating them, right? So even, odd, even, odd. It's just that. Did the linked list version of this problem where you again have 2 pointers, but it might be a better way to do it with this. So we just have all the evens, all the odds, and we just make a new array, I think. And that's probably fine. So we have like our answer is like that, but then we just do the same thing for evens. For num and nums, if num ought to 0, then evens dot append num, else odds dot append num, just like that. And then we'll just go through it one more time. For I num in zip evens odd. No, not a zip. Hold on. Keep our evens, keep our odds, and then we'll just put 1, and then we'll place the 1, and then for 2. I don't know. I can't think of a better way to do it. I think we start with even. So something like this. Only thing is, do I divide by 2? So then we'd have like 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 1 divided by 2 is 0. I think we just divide by 2. And I think it's just fine. Okay, how did that happen? Oh, num spaced. Typo. Typo. Nice. Okay, this is what I was expecting if I didn't typo it. So this should be fine. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Well, let's see what the next problem is. True. It is. U-block origin is better. Okay, wait, what happened, bro? What happened to the Leetcode? There's only 2 problems. Okay, here we go. So he did do this one pretty fast. And then we go with this one. Okay, there's what is this? Max increase keeping skyline. Make skyline. This one. Steven code stuff. What is up? What is up? What is up? How was the pramp? Man, I didn't I saw that guy. I saw that guy do his thing. But I didn't see yours fully. I just know it was like the social graph. But oh boy, those things take a long time, man. That is crazy. I need to like start doing the pramp stuff, honestly. I really, really should. Because it seems pretty fun. Wasn't too bad. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, no, I need to like hardcore. I've been doing Leetcode for too much. You can do algos or pramp too. Nice. I think what I need to do is do the system design part. Oh wow, you can do behaviorals too. I'm pretty sure I already made an account. Zombie killer whale. What is up? What is up? Up on this fine morning. I was trying to solve I guess mirroring Pat, and then I was gonna do the same thing for Simon, Midnight Simon. Just solve the problems that they solved. Then I was looking at this preamp thing. What city do you live in? Education. Years experience. What is your current level at job interviews? I don't know, man. Let's say 4. Software engineering. Would you say if you blank problems, if you need problems, you can go to past contests? Yeah, like 99, or not 99, I won't say that, but most of the stuff I was doing was a 0 track. So I would do like the random number generator, try to solve like some 1800 to like 1900 problems. And then just like choose them randomly. But I don't know. I don't know why I don't feel like doing it. Because I feel like it's kind of the same too if I just like solve the same problem as somebody else. I don't know. Yeah, if you need, yeah. That's what I figured. Schedule your first one. Behavioral system design. API scaling data model. Like I honestly needed the system design one. The thing is it sucks, but it's like so long. But it's actually infinitely better than not doing anything, I think. Probably. But what I probably do is I'll probably do it on stream like you. Probably not right now, but yeah, later on. Free mock interviews with other Preamp users where you take turns. Getting interviewed by expert coach powered by. How much does this cost? How much is it? Technical Sorcerer. Save with our discounted packages. How much is it? $800. 160 a piece. Oh my god. Big rip, man. Big rip. $160 a piece. I mean, I get the the Fang, but oh boy. You're looking to give private lessons or take some? I was looking at taking some. I was curious how much it costs. I mean, I might take it, but I'm not sure if I can really dole out $1,000 right now. $1,000 for 5 mocks. If you need Fang practice, I'll give it to you for 400. Thanks, Steven. I'll keep that in mind. Wait, you can charge that much? The Exponent charges that much. Okay, also, if you guys are actually like thinking about being coaches, I think Exponent is taking a cut. They're definitely taking their percent here. And these people make an account on them, and Exponent takes their cut. You don't even need to use, like, if you're business idea time, if you're trying to like do something like this, bro, if you I feel like if you just make your own like kind of platform, and not make your own platform, but like if you're like streaming or if you're like just making content or something, or just DMing people too, like you go on like those little Discord groups or you go on Team Blind or whatever, you just start DMing people, bro, you can make a lot of money. Because the thing is that like getting a Fang job is worth like $300,000. Like you literally just taking like a little bit, like you help somebody out who probably is making $300,000, and then you just like just take a little bit off. But like, yeah, for sure, man, you can make way more than this because well, one, I think Exponent's taking their cut, but two, that there's definitely people who would pay for this for sure. 100%. I just don't have the money right now because I've been unemployed for the past year, but I would pay for it too. Wait, let me see this. I need to look at the chat. I need to look at the chat. But you got to target, if you're going to make a course, or not a course, but coaching, you got to target the rich people. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me pop out my chat so I can see what's happening. Okay, what do we got here? You can charge that much. Is Leetcode on this website? He should be, but I'm not sure how they verify or things like that, but he definitely should. I used Interview.io in the past. They were better because they actually link you to hiring managers. What do you mean link you to hiring managers? What do you mean by that? I saw their YouTube channel too, Interview.io. But let's see. I've seen their thing. Anonymous mock interviews, right? I think I signed up for them too because Chris told me to. No condom, Chris, but never happened. They just never kind of did it. How good are these guys? I don't know. I don't know how good they are. $800. That is insane. I just wasn't expecting that. But bro, imagine you get paid $800 an hour. You just bro, imagine you just do a side project. Imagine Midnight Simon or Stephen Code stuff says hey man, if you guys want any interview prep, I'll prep you guys for $800. Granted, that's a lot, and but if somebody already has a Fang job, that's who you're really targeting, is these people. But bro, you can make $800 an hour. Just a nice little weekend side gig thing. But I don't know how you would phrase it. I think there's a way you can package it to where it's not super I guess bad for your brand or whatever. It might still be. I don't know. I don't know if it'd be bad for your brand. Expert is a word that virtually means nothing. One expert in a referential, noob in another. Yeah, I think for algos, expert kind of carries because you have people who are experts and they have they're point, you can have 0.01% people basically on Leetcode, and so they're experts, they're legit. But system design and all that other stuff, it's expert. What does that mean, expert? And are they actually but that's it. If you pass Fang, you probably are honestly an expert. As long as you can say you're in Fang, I'd probably say you're very good. Wait, what do you mean straight up ignore you? Oh, Smart Coder 5. Yo, what is up? I got I'm looking around, man. Looking around. What is up? Casual Vim. What is up? I forgot. That's my weakness. They have a page where if you do well in their mocks, they actually have actual hiring managers talk to you directly. Really? That's crazy. I got Dropbox and MST offers from that platform. Dang, that's insane. That is insane. Did you just straight up in front of me? Casual Vim. Yo, what is up, guys? How's it going? We're just solving some algos, man. You're good, man. Do you... How to be as good as or more Chi-Chi impact level? Yeah. I mean, it depends on the person, but you can just look at their profile. Imagine you just have their Leetcode scores on here or something. I don't know. But Fang's probably good enough though. Who knows? I don't know. Anyways. That's that stuff. I'm probably gonna do this at some point. Not the coaching, but actually I don't know, man. Should I pay? I feel like I might pay for it. Just chatting today, no real algos. Yeah, I'm gonna try to mirror what Pat was doing yesterday. Mirror these problems, and then I'm going to I was looking into this preamp stuff because I might do it actually. I might. Depends on how much it is for one session though. But then also I also will likely be doing this one, so this, and I was making the account on here. So I'll like live stream like the rando pramps. What is this website? It's a website that lets you interview people. Cube mate Esert. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Yeah, this is just like a website for planning like interview stuff. What is this? Why is it not why can't I multi-click? It's kind of cringe. Oh wait, no. Is it starting now? Okay, thank God. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Did I just schedule this? Big rip, man. Okay, I was not planning on doing that at all. And I'm gonna ask TikTok. So then oh, and I can reschedule. So I'm supposed to study up on TikTok and then I'm supposed to ask it to the person. Oh, that's kind of scary. And I get 5 more interviews. I can get more for free. How do you get more credits? How much do they cost? I don't know this website at all. But yeah. What else? Anyways, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm going to I might schedule it maybe I guess maybe might try to like tomorrow or something like that, but maybe later today, but I'll like stream it too. Do like practice some system design stuff. Okay. Okay, where are we at? Where was I? Okay. You can just say cube. All right, cube. All right, cube. Welcome to the interview prep stream. We got a lot of smart people up in here. Way smarter than me. Do one at 11 a.m. Good at Leetcode does not automatically convert to being good at interviewing IMO. I mean, that's true. For sure. Wait, when did Neurosis say that? I didn't even know he was in chat. What is up, Neurosis? None of these people are even close to Chi Chi or William Lin. But yeah, I mean, these are 2 different skills. You can have like some good ones, but yeah. Yeah, he's just talking about algorithms. You can only select one at a time, and then you can reschedule. If you were to spend $800, I think it would be better to spend if you buy Elite Coach or BetSims private tutoring. Probably, honestly. Do they even offer private tutoring? Does Elite Coach or BetSim offer private tutoring? I mean, Elite Coach does because he I know he has coach in his name. I didn't know BetSim did, but honestly, probably. You basically get your credits back. You get rated. Ah, interesting. Okay. I can be a good interviewer, I think. I need to go 100 on system design again. Heck yeah. Bro, we're doing it. We got Steven Code stuff did like 4 hours of system design, basically 4 hours of system design yesterday. And then just some other things too. I need to go 100% system design. Which company? I don't know what you mean, which company? The same team that I passed the interviews for TikTok a year ago. Because no one wants to. Yeah, bro, this job market is crazy, bro. It's so insane. Uh okay, hide count. Cool. Cool. So okay, I think we're good then. I'll probably reschedule this for another time, and then I guess I'll consult maybe Lead Coach or BetSimp for a coaching thing. But that's it. I actually honestly not sure if I really need algos. I really need like system design. I really need system design. I just want to see how much does one session cost. $200. Yeah. $200. Okay. You gotta negotiate with Bethsim because I heard his rate was 250. Yeah, it depends on I don't even know what problem is I'm doing like a lot of algo stuff, so I really need system design. I made a lot of frames. No parameter system design. Yeah, like I don't even think you need to pay. Like I think what the thing with coaching is that I I don't think you ever need to pay, but I think you probably get there faster, probably if you're paying. But same with like that's why I like Twitch too for this. Like Twitch is like really good for having kind of like I guess a community there. I mean, there's like literally like I guess only like 5 other people, but yeah. But also yeah, Pramp for sure. I could see that for sure because you guys are all kind of on. You guys are all trying to like pass your interviews, so for sure, I think it'd be good. We'll see how it goes. See how it goes. Um, I wonder. I'm kind of curious too how many how many people are like Fang there. It actually doesn't matter though. I actually don't care. Um, but I was thinking about it just for the just seeing like the demographics, like what kind of people even do Pramp. I guess you guys said it's like mostly Indians. That's what Axer said, but okay. So max increase to keep city skyline. So I am just mirroring the problems that Pat was solving. So we're gonna go over here. There's a city composed of n by n blocks where each block contains a single building shaped like vertical square prism. You are given a 0 indexed n by n integer matrix. RC is the height, the city skyline. We are allowed to increase the height of any number of buildings. The height of a 0 height building can also be increased. However, increasing the height of a building should not affect the city skylines from any cardinal direction. Return the total sum that the height of the building can be without changing the city's skylines from any cardinal direction. What? So we have this building 35 when viewed from each cardinal direction. The grid after increasing the height of the buildings without affecting the skyline. Oh my god, please no. We have a city, blocks, single shaped, vertical, 0 indexed, height. A skyline is the contour. No idea what that means. Formed by all buildings when viewing the side from a distance. The skyline from each cardinal north. What does that mean? North from which position? From here? From here? The outer contour. Okay, so we stand here at the north and then we view it. Okay, I understand. We stand here at the north and then we look. And we're allowed to increase the height. The skylines, when viewed from each cardinal direction, are drawn in red. So it looks like this. Don't know why it looks like this though. Don't know where it's being drawn out like that. From the 3 to the 9 maybe? Or is it 3, 6, 7, 4? Bro, what a stupid problem. Oh my god. I feel like I actually feel like just like an idiot because I don't understand what's happening here. You look north. There's buildings. You have a building of size 3, of size 0, of size 8, of size 4. You have a second layer of buildings. You have a third layer. You have a fourth layer. But you have 8, 7, but that's not 8, 7. This one's like there's like these colors here. I don't even know what the colors mean. South. So we have like this one, which is 9. It's really big. Is this every? This is every order? Maybe the tallest one in every order? Because this one's 9. And in this one, it's 3 and then 2. And this one, it's like all these. Yeah, I don't get it. What's the question code? Yeah, it's 807. 807. Like a ton of people were just like doing this for interview prep, I guess, because this acceptance rate's too high. Just for like really any kind of problem. So I think this is commonly asked or not. Maybe it was. I don't know. 0, 9. Like this 9 has to be here, right? Or is it the 0 lets you see a 9? The 3, and you can also see a 4. And then you can see the 1. You can see the 6. And you can see the 8. Oh, I understand, right? Every time it's kind of like getting the max from all of these. The 1 lets you see the 6. You can see the 8. You can see the 0. The 3. And then the 7. But you can't see any of the buildings that are lower than it. This problem was on binary search. Throwback. Throwback, throwback. Okay, so okay, cool. So this is just like there's like just escalating things. So 0, 9. Constraints are super low for this. And then how do we change it? I guess we modify the height and then what? The maximum total sum without changing the skyline from anywhere. The obvious thing is that you just like just try implementing every single combination, but I don't know if that's going to be too slow. 0, 9. So like for 0, 9, you could just try incrementing this. And that'll be fine. But it couldn't destroy something that's on the other ones. So for east, it needs to maintain, I think, the pattern of this one 3, increment this one. But yet it's fine as long as you don't break the maximum. The maximum this row is 9. The max is this one's 4. So you can't touch this one. You can't touch this one. You can't touch this one. So 9, 4, 8. And then you can't touch 7. So like maybe you just mark the ones you're not allowed to touch because you know if they're the max, then you would never be able to touch them. And the same for east. So you say like, oh, well, 3, you can't touch that one. And you can't make this one greater than 3 either. So this one actually gets like kind of capped. And maybe you just like iterate through the grid, keeping that in mind. So like nothing in this column can be greater than 9. And we kind of just mark that. And then nothing in this one can be greater than 4, right? Nothing in this one can be greater than 3. And then we kind of like just mark all of these and find the one. I think that's actually the solution. That's actually the solution. But now I just need to think about how I actually implement that. Oh no. Did not mean to do that. Ooh. Do I want a second grid? Do I want a second grid where I just like, or do I want to mark them? Or do I want to use a hash map that keeps track of the maximum? That keeps track of the maximum value. That keeps track of the max value for a row and a column. So you can check through every direction. Does the order matter too? Is there a difference between south and north? Yeah, it's increasing. 3, 2, 9. Like something really similar to that. 3 and 9. Ugh. But then what does it look like? 3 and 9. 9's a max. Well, does the 3 get affected? And by here? Like if I make this one 4, does that destroy the skyline? No. It doesn't. It's literally just the max. Okay, so we can iterate through the north, grab the max, and then set all of these, or like set this row column to max of like 9. So like 0, 0 will have like the max, or like column 0. We'll have a max of 9, and then we'll keep going, like column at 1. We'll get like a max of 4 or whatever. And then at 2, it'll be like 8. And then at 3, it'll be like 7. And then we'll do the same thing for the south. So we'll go here and we'll be like, okay, 9. And then we'll just check, okay, this one's fine. And we'll also do it for the rows too. And then we just compare the maxes and we always grab like the smaller one. I think that's okay. And hopefully I think that counts for the skyline. Because the skylines are just set for whatever the max building is, I think. I hope that's the case. But okay. So then for implementing this, we're gonna do iterate through north, south, east, and west, and we'll have like our I don't know what they call this, X chords. No idea what to call this. YS. I should probably like have my variable names better too and not do like competitive programming or whatever where you just make nonsense variables, but like do try to do like practice like interview stuff. Honestly, I'll try to do that, just X chords. We'll just have this, and then I'm just gonna store like the max value or whatever at like a certain coordinate. And then once we have all the max values that can be there, I think we can just boost just iterate over every value and then just like increment them based off of like whatever the max value should be and its like current value for that like coordinate. And then north, south, east, west. So then we'll go and find just the largest ones, right? Here, do north and south share? Or am I crazy? I feel like they should share because they have like the same max values. They're just like reversed. Like literally, they're the same. Just like look a little bit different in the colors, but the line is the same. So I think you only have to iterate twice. So do north. And not even twice, just like literally like what's the max here and then what's the max here. So if I go here, max for column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3. X is kind of a weird name because technically I don't think rows are the X coordinate, but I don't think it matters for this. So H, I'm gonna do Y chords at I is the max of Y chords at j height. So just set them equal to this, I guess, and then we'll like hopefully get something. Might have to go over it twice though to fix all the ones that are in the past. See what we get. We get 8. For 0, we get 8. So we get 9, 4, 8, 7. Cool. This kind of built it, I think. And then we get 8, 7, 9, 3. Cool. All right. So we have the max for every single one. And then now we can just go through it again and make sure that it's like the minimum of those two, I think. So I have like a limit, which is equal to like the minimum of these two. And then answer plus equals the limit, that max value minus h, if h minus the limit is greater than 0 or something. Or the limit minus h. I don't even know if I need this if statement, but we'll add it. And then we just return the answer. And there we go. Oh my gosh. It worked for the base cases. Now hopefully the skyline doesn't mess up the skyline. I don't think it does. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Boom. Time taken, 11 minutes. Let's go. Not bad at all. All right. Let's see what we got here. Also, I'm kind of curious what the rating on this problem is actually. I'm curious. What is this problem rated? It is a 1300, 1400 rip. Wow. That is very low. Like a, yeah, like a 1300 Q4. This is probably why it took so short. Okay, cool. I feel like an idiot for taking so long, or for taking so long to understand it. Okay, let's skip ahead. Let's skip ahead. Okay, I think Pat only stopped here. Yeah, it looks like Pat stopped here. Okay. And we'll go to Midnight Simon. Try to do some mirroring. Do some mirroring. I already saw this. I already think I did this problem. Yeah, I did. And Roses did this on stream. So I did that like while I was watching Enrosis. The problem is I don't actually catch these streams, so I can't solve problems alongside them because they like stream like Midnight Simon and Pat will stream at like 11 p.m. my time or like 10 p.m. and I'm just sleeping. Number of ways to stay in the same place after some steps. I don't know anything about this problem, but we'll see. Number of ways to stay in the same place. Same place. Okay, it is a 1854 Q4. You have a pointer at index 0 in an array of size array length. At each step you can move one position to the left, one position to the right, or stay in the same place. Given two integers, steps, array length, return the number of ways such that your pointer is still at index 0 after exactly steps. The number of ways. Okay. Okay. I feel like this one feels like familiar. You're not allowed to step out of bounds. Is this 500 steps, 10 to the 6th? I feel like this one's just like DP, like recursion, like just top down recursion. Let me see if I can draw it out. But let me see. So, right, like you have like some array, and I think where do we start at? This is index 0. Right, like this feels like it's just like a DP one where you just like go through three, like in this one, in this case, I guess we have what, a size 2, length 2. We get like the like take it or leave it type of like DP thing or recursion where we start here and we get 3 actions. We can do like the one action where we just stay. We can do the, and I'll say like staying is like maybe like this. We can't go left because we're out of bounds, so we just don't even count that one. And then we go over to the right. And then when we go to the right, like we can do like the same thing where we go here, we can go here, or we can go here. I guess we could stay again too, right? Just stay. So or we go here. We only get 3 decisions. So that'd be like what, 2 to the n, or 3 to the power of n. 3 to the power of n, but like we know n is only 500, right? So, and then I feel like there's probably like simulated like things here where like if we're here, we probably already know the number of answers that can be like generated here. Same for this one and this one. I don't know. Other than that, like I'd probably say there's maybe like a math solution, but I actually think this one works because we're only hitting 3 to the n. Only hitting 3 to the n. That's what, or 3 to the power of 50. Maybe that actually doesn't work. 3 to the power of 500. Actually, maybe I'm crazy. 3 to the power of 500. But also, I think you can cache it. So I think you actually hit other cache values. But the 3 to the power of 500 is actually insane and does not work. But I think you can cache and get the same answers. I don't know. We'll try that. Maybe it works. Maybe it doesn't. So we'll have like the steps. And then I think it's just the steps. Yeah. No, and then it's like our location in the array. And like if position is less than 0, return 0. If position is greater, okay, here we go. If 0 less than or equal to Maybe that actually. Then we just return 0. And then if it isn't, then I think we're good. And then like if steps is 0, return 1, then we just DFS. So this one will be us staying, going left, and then going right. And we'll do like what? Like stay left, and then right. Yeah, I feel like you should be able to cache the positions. Really feel like that should work. Because we can hit like the same position multiple times and then just return the answer that we would have gotten, I think. Maybe. Maybe. And we get 13. I wonder if there is an O1 operation for this. Yeah, I feel like there should be like some math. I feel like there's probably like some math equation. Or for this problem, at least. It feels like there might be like some pattern. We have to modulus it too. I never modded it. I know that did not work though. Hard Q. Yeah, it is a hard. It is a hard. It's 1850, which might not. Probably actually maybe like I guess around. Actually, might be easy for you. Might be easy for you. I think it might TLE even if there isn't an issue. Yeah, it might. I think it might. I don't know. We'll see. See what happens. So we can only go right to position 1. Pointer should not be placed outside the array at any time. Oh, return the number where your pointer is still at index 0. RIP. And position equal to 0. LF steps is equal to 0. Then it doesn't count. So this one actually might be like a significant thing that changes it. Your position has to be 0. So there's probably like some early exit condition you can do. And then here, I don't know if... Yeah, I missed that. There might be something you can do where like if your steps and your position is like greater than like if the amount of steps you can do is less than like the position that you're at, it's probably impossible to even get back to 0. Because if you're here, like you only have one step left, but you're all the way here, then you could probably just kill it. And that might reread line 6. Is it -1? Oh, wait, no. If the position is less than 0. If the position is less than 0, or the position is greater than or equal to the array. Is steps always even? No. No. Okay, cool. So I think this case is probably good too to speed it up, right? If the steps are less than the position, we just exit. We don't even care. Because the position is like way too far out. Is our length always even? No, it's not. It can be odd. It can be odd for sure. So I think you start in the middle. I'm gonna run this too and see. This worked. It worked. Bro, this was a 1850 Q4. Oh my gosh. Another one down, bro. Following the BetSimp roadmap. We're almost there. And by almost, I mean 2 years away. 2 years and some days away. Nice. Heck yeah. Good old DP. I wonder if this works without like the steps thing here. Or if that was necessary or not. No, it's not even necessary. But it does make a difference for sure. Easy clap. Let's see if there was any other things. Top down, bottom up. Bro, I still do not. I have no idea how to do bottom up DP still. Like I know for like a couple problems, but it's not like crazy. Correct me if I'm wrong. Memory steps over 2. I think, is this what I think this might have been what Steven's talking about, right? You start at the midpoint or something. Maybe. Anyways, cool. All right, that's that one. Let me see. Where is... Did Simon do any other problems? He probably did. Oh, Pat is streaming? Is he actually streaming? Is Pat actually streaming? This is probably the earliest I've seen this guy. This is the earliest I've seen this guy streaming. WTF indeed. Man is up early. You made me think I missed the bi-weekly contest because he streams so early. This will never happen. I don't know what happened. Okay, so Simon should have done this one pretty fast, actually. Yeah, he did. Okay, now we get another hard stream of characters. Let's check it out. Stream of characters. Yeah, these 1850 like Q4s, they're definitely not. Like the elo is not it on them. If it's Q4, just because not that many people try it. A lot of people just give up and like, here we go, coloring a border. Oh, whoops, I messed that up. Stream of characters. Code forces. Pat is doing code forces. There's a code forces contest in 3 minutes. Code Forces round 937 division 4. Nice. Man's on the grind. Nice. Oh, also I made a like a little website for like Twitch streamers, I think. Like I didn't it's very very sloppy, okay? It's not amazing, but yesterday or 2 days ago Pat like said, "Oh, he's going to make a leaderboard or whatever." And I thought it'd be cool to turn into a website. So like Pat has like on the background of his thing like a board for everybody's elos. But I kind of made my own. But I'll try to add basically anybody's profiles, I guess, that I see on Twitch. Probably Twitch chat too. I'll try to add it. But and then I might like just update them manually or something. But it was like super super basic, and I have it on Leetcode stats pages or whatever. Okay, I don't know. Should I try doing the Code Forces thing too? So let me log in my account. 12-hour phase of open hacks after the end of the round. By default, only trusted participants. If you're greater than 1400, do not register. I don't even know what I'm rated at in Code Forces. What do you think my Code Forces rating is? Or I guess I don't have any Code Forces people here, but yeah, I don't even know if I want to. But you will not show up on the leaderboard if you are not a contestant. Okay, anyways, I heard Core Forces can be discarding, so I haven't done it yet. You could definitely do Code Forces Zombie Killer Well. You could definitely do it. Yeah, I can register for it. I can register and just look at the first problem. I don't think I don't lose anything. I literally, yeah, I don't lose anything. I can look at this problem, actually. Just see like what the easy one is. Like second thing too, I'm gonna close this. Leetcode Playground. So with Code Forces, it's like super weird trying to like get like the STD input and whatever. Because you'll get like stuff like this. Okay. Or even 3 digits determine whether they form a stair, a peak, or neither. A stair is that its left is less than right is greater than, or peak is less is greater. Right is greater or less than. First line contains an integer, which is the number of test cases. The only line of each test case contains 3 digits. Oh, this is only 3 digits? Bro, that's crazy. Is there an else? Yeah, I wouldn't even bother doing the I wouldn't even bother doing the code forces stuff because I think apparently you can learn a lot with Leetcode with not like super. Stare non peak peak. Stare non peak peak. Yeah, I'm still learning. I may start over soon, but I don't know yet. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think there's any like I don't think there's any need to. A is less than B. A is less than B is less than C. A is. Am I trolling? Stare non peak peak. Non stare. Stare non peak peak. Non stare. Okay, yeah, I was trolling. Okay, how do you submit? You just pop it? You send a solution on PyPy, it works much faster, rip. If you can do the meta hacker cup, you just have to be in the top 2000. Is it actually doable? I want to know what the people get. You gotta flex that free shirt. And if you're in the top 200, you get a better shirt. Whoa. Whoa. The first line contains an integer 1 less than t less than or equal to 20. You can check the last year's cup to see what the score is to the 2000th and see if you could have beaten it. So you can like upsolve it or try to like solve it. You were in a shirt with a top 200 badge on the sleeve. Nice. Flexin'. Flexin'. That's gonna be me when I get my Leetcode t-shirt in like two things. Oh wait, also did my screen just like die? I've been solving the code forces thing right now. Yeah, I didn't even realize nobody said anything. But no, I've definitely been solving the problems. I was solving some of the code forces things. Oh, you said something a while ago. I missed it, man. Where I missed it. Yeah, I was solving the code forces thing. The first problem is really easy. It's like probably like a 1000 rated like ELO Leetcode problem. Oh, yeah, my bad. Need a better computer. Better computer. One day though. One day. Oh, also Smart Coder says that I'm not even streaming with the Leetcode thing. I'm streaming with just chatting. And I did not see that Discord message. Is it allowed to stream that? And I don't think you're allowed to stream any of these contests. I really don't think so. But for the first one, I didn't have anything. Anyways, I guess we're kind of done. I mean, I don't really care too much about the code forces. Yeah, I don't care too much about the code forces, so we'll probably just call it here. I submitted an answer for the first one, and then maybe just leave it there. I don't really care what my rating is. But what are you supposed to do for this? Just got to understand. One, two, three, four. We're painting color checkerboards. And it's three, then you draw, empty, draw. So then you draw, empty, draw. Yeah, just print out the boards. That's weird. Okay, yeah, I think I don't think I'm gonna do it. Oh, it tells you how many people solved it too. That's cool. Convert time from a 12-hour format probably to like another one. I'll put two strings separated by space for the 12-hour. The input is 24 hours. You want to convert it to 12 hours. This problem looks very Saj. It's like Cock. Except Cock would have like given you a 20 paragraphs before it even told you this. But it's a lot of it's like not bad. Not bad at all. These are all really easy, so I guess this is Division 4. And Pat should be able to do all of these. Pat should be able to do all of these. Let's call a number binary decimal. Given a number, you are asked whether or not it's possible to represent in product. Yeah, the ones we've seen, yeah, because I guess that's big too. Is that they probably get progressively harder. The last ones could be impossible. Okay, I think that's it. I think also the Clash of Code contest should have ended pretty soon. But I'm gonna end this. I got one question in, so I think it'll actually affect my elo, but it doesn't matter. Where's the Clash of Code Fiverr thing? Not Clash of Code. Coding game. Coding game Fiverr. Coding game Fiverr Spring Challenge. I think this should be ending really close. Nope, not yet. Okay, we're gonna go over and just do stream of characters. So this is one. Another Leetcode hard. We're moving up in the world. Design an algorithm. Design an algorithm that accepts a stream of characters and checks if a suffix of these characters is given. Is a string given an array of strings, words. For example, if words A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and the stream added the 4 characters. Yeah, problem 8 of the challenge was a very bad idea to give. For the Fiverr one, the one that Betsimp was like trying to solve them. Betsimp tried to solve all of them, but I don't think he was able to. But he was, I mean, it's a documented problem. Look for lights out. I've never heard of that. This exact problem. Design an algorithm that will accept a stream of characters and checks if a suffix of those characters in a given string of words. For example, you have words, the stream out of the 4 characters, ick, x, y, z. Your algorithm should detect that the suffix x, y, z matches. And they're added one by one. X, Y, Z. So then what do we do? We just, is it a try and we reverse it? Oh, you said look for the Wikipedia page for lights out. I think one of my friends like coded this. One of my old coworkers coded this. He made a website for it. It's like where you press a button and it like turns off the ones that are around it. And it's a math problem. Group theory. I think this one, you store the words into it. So you do like maybe backwards, typical for a suffix. But we don't know the backwards one yet. Until those Z comes. Maybe it's just a try. I don't know. Also, is Pat actually streaming himself doing the problems? Or is he doing or is Pat, yeah, he is. He's showing his code. This is printing out. Nice. Like when designing problems, one thing they should make sure is that the problem in the exact same name form doesn't already exist. Yeah. True. I think, but I'm surprised too. I didn't hear Bedsimp mention this when he was solving it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So ugh, maybe you didn't know the name. Yeah. This one, I think, yeah, I think you just you just create a try and then you just reverse it every time. So you try like, oh, is A in it? Okay, AX. Is X in here? No, it's not, right? And we just do Y. And we reverse like the thing that we've had so far. The word links are fine. I think this is probably the solution. This one's probably like an easy one. Just a try problem. And then you return true if there's a word that you get. Those are part of an engineer slash dev job to know the right keywords. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh boy. Oh, I'm so tired. Okay. I don't know if I want to do another try problem though. I think the try solution works. It's just a reverse try where you store everything. So these are Z, Y, X. And then when you get the Z, you try Z, Y, X. Only thing is if this is like counts like Y, X, A, but actually that wouldn't really work, no. Query, 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 query. So we have this, words. And we do A, nope. B, nope. C, nope. D, maybe, right? So DC. And we're like, oh, DC is. And we're like, F, yeah. And we just keep adding until we get to an L. We're like, LK, yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. Bro, I'm dying, man. Okay. Gonna do a bit more of the algorithms. Although I already kind of solved like a try one, I'm gonna do it one more time. And then I think I'm gonna call it here. I think that's it really for algorithms. And then I might do the pramp. So what I might try to do is reschedule a pramp interview. And I don't know if I want to try doing an algo one or if I just want to do like a system design. I should probably just do system design, honestly, but anyways, yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna do some tries stuff. So then we want like what the children is defaulted with like a try node. And then probably just check if it's a word. And that's just all we really need. And then we can build out our functions. So like def, add word. And then like current is self.root for chn word. Current equals current dot children dot ch. Do that, and then we just set the current word to true. And it's a reverse one. So we want it that way, and then def has suffix. And then we'll do this. We'll pass in like a suffix. do current self.root. And this time we do the same thing. We'll just check if it exists first though. We'll go deep, 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 and then we'll just return current dot is word. I think accepts a new character from the stream and returns true if any non-empty suffix from the stream forms a words and words, I guess. Like probably like that. Try equals try node, and then try dot for word and words. And actually what we'll do is keep it normal and then do try dot add word word. It's like reversed. Cool, so that'll keep this here. We'll do self dot and then self dot, and then every time we query, I think we just keep track of like all the words we have so far. Probably, and then just do like char so far. Add the letter. And then every time it adds the letter, this actually might fail. I don't know actually. Every time it adds the letter, we want to start reversing through and then see if we can find something. We probably want to also check the path too though, but maybe not actually, because then that would fail. Like just because YZ doesn't mean that Z Y isn't. So we just do Z Y X. And we get true, but like if it didn't, then we'd keep checking like oh, is this one? Nope. Oh, is this one? No, no, no. Like no, 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 no. I thought we'd be like, oh yeah, well this one is. Or like, oh yeah, this one is. Probably only want to just go back from where we were just at. And then just keep expanding out. Only from that one. Shoot, L, K. Oh my god. I'm trying to like think, is this, because it's kind of weird how this is set up, and I don't know if I just expand out. I can't just like, do I only check L or do I have to expand out? Let's see, L, K works, but then what if it didn't? Then we would just do L. We would say like, yeah, nothing's there. I think maybe a deck honestly might be better. I'm kind of weirded out by like, I just want to read from the opposite. Like not here, but like read the character backwards. I just try one character at a time. As opposed to like joining it. So I think it's like way too slow. Self.try dot add word. Let's try this. Try. Type in too fast. Type in too fast. So here we do CDB. All right. So A, nope. B, nope. C, no. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's returning false for everything. But it shouldn't. Okay. A, B. DC. Oh, because we have to check if current dot is word. Then we return true. There we go. I think this fails though. I think because I don't like this O of N thing every single time. Do not like that. I think there's a way you can probably just check one character at a time. But like as a stream, as opposed to appending this, like we just kind of do it maybe as like some kind of yield thing or something. And that's probably the way. O of N's are really expensive. But like you just try like one step every single time. And so then instead we can just do like for like if letter. You know, is like in the try or whatever. Then we do that. But I think this fails because of that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna run this. I think it's, yeah, I'm pretty sure this fails. It's like O of N to the fourth. But I want to see if it works. I would not submit this in a contest though. This is way too expensive. Way too expensive. We can fix this though. Just try every character one at a time instead of reversing the entire list every time. That's possible to do. Okay, I'm gonna I think I'm just gonna end the stream here. I think I'm going to end it here, and then I might do some practice later, possibly. I'm not sure. Not sure. I need to Put this thing out too. Yeah, not sure when I'm gonna do the pramp thing. Let's see. Wait, pramp. Why is the URL like not showing up? But I'll do some mock like system design interviews. Why would you not like? Why would they not unlock hints? Answer? What the heck? Courses? Is this exponent courses? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should do like an algo one either. Maybe just to try it out, to try out Pramp, but I think system design will be better. And then maybe behavioral stuff. So just like telling stories. But also, I don't even know if I need behavioral. System design is probably better. Behavioral, I think, is just like, I get to get that from content creation, like just like telling stories. All right, anyways, yeah, cool. I'll see you guys. See you guys. I think everybody here is probably pretty solidly overlapping with Pat, but like if you guys aren't, Pat is currently solving like one of the easy contests. So you guys can check him out. I'll put this in here. And I'll see you guys later. I think this was a pretty good session. Although I'm gonna fix this this thing and have it go one character by one character off stream, and then that'll be that. But got some good problems in. I think I did like a couple hards. So now we're at 725. So we're on the road to 1,000. Gonna get there pretty soon. And yeah, cool. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Go check out Pat if you don't know him already. His stream is interesting. He is on the grind. He's on the grind. All right, see you guys.